So a lot of people have commented on some of my videos saying they don't have access to the music sticker when they're posting stories on their Instagram. Well, I did a little research and figured I would make a video for you all on how to solve the missing sticker mystery. But real quick before we get in the video, I wanted to give a shout out to Andar, who sent me this awesome case for my iPhone 12. It's a little leather. It's got this little strip even in the back for my 50s. I don't have any $50 bills, I guess. I'm assuming that's what it's for. Andar makes some great leather products, from covers for your phone and iPad, and even purses and wallets. It could really be a good gift for that special someone, or just a friend or family member. So be sure to go check them out. Link is in the description below. So now let's jump into the video so I can show you how to get your IG music sticker back. Now, step number one, you want to be sure your IG app is updated to the latest version. Some of us don't know that, and sometimes we don't think about it because it doesn't happen in the background like it should automatically, right? If you have that setting set up on your iPhone, it just doesn't happen. Now, number two is a little trickier, but not really too tricky. You want to switch to a creator or personal account by first going to your IG profile. Now, you want to press the hamburger icon in the top right. Yeah, I called it a hamburger. That's what I call it. And then you want to press settings. Then towards the bottom, press account. Now scroll towards the bottom again and you will see switch account. Now, I already have a creator account in this case, but in your case, you'll see personal account or creator account pop up here. Choose whichever one you wish, and if you happen to do the changes and don't see the sticker, first you want to log out, then delete the IG app, then go back into the app and re-download it from the App Store, and then you're going to log back in, obviously. Now, if the sticker is still not there for some reason, just give it a little bit of time, like a day or two, and then that way it should show back up. That way everything's refreshed and everything. Let me know in the comments if you had this issue, and also make sure you watch this video next on how to make the music on your Instagram stories longer, and be sure to subscribe as well if you haven't done so yet. Stay safe, stay healthy, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.